The new color looks awesome, and I love the new red chrome on the wheels. It looks really nice. The Dimachinni looks even nicer when it's out of the package. Look at that top view, side view here. Here's the back end. See the exhaust on the bottom there? You can see the support beam right in there. He's got the louvers on the back. Check out the stripes, really nice. Pretty cool scoop in the front. The front end looks really nice, I like it. Gotta love the number 3 on the side there. It's a beautiful race car, it looks good. Copyright 2021. Mud flaps on the back and the front. Let's go, Dimachinni. Wow, it's a beauty. I think they did a great job on this one. From the Hot Wheels Retro Racers series, the Dimachinni in its new blue-green color.